Are you collecting information in a Google form? Applications for a project or position? Need an easy way for someone to attach a file or upload a picture? Add a file upload question to your form in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you all the sweet things that you can do with G Suite. Today, we'll show you how to request file uploads in your Google form. Let's get started. Add a new question to your form and choose File Upload, then click Continue. From there, you can choose to limit specific types of files, number of files, or even file size. Links to the uploaded files themselves will be available in your form responses. So there you have it. Add file upload to your forms in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow G Suite on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.